Something I've noticed while being here in Paris is the glam. All of the girlies are so natural with it. It's really inspired me to do minimal makeup while I've been here, and I've been loving it. I've been focusing a lot more on like the skin being more natural, skincare based, and then a little bit of like a sultry eye. We are going to dinner tonight, so I'm gonna create that look. I've been actually applying everything with my hands, which I never ever do this, but this Refi skin tint I feel like looks so good when you blend it in with your hands. Because it's such a natural product, it like really just melts into the skin. Trend that I'm really excited about going around is embracing your dark circles. So I'm doing like the tiniest amount of concealer with this Tower 28. Instead of how I normally do it with a sponge, I've been using a brush. I feel like it gives more of a natural finish. Now that we have some coverage, I'm going to go in and bronze with the Chanel cream bronzer. Just in all the areas that I would contour and bronze, I'm kind of just using this as both. I'm going to take that bronzer and just tap it on the sides of the nose, and also on the lid as a little bit of an eyeshadow. Do a little pinky blush combo that I've been obsessed with lately. I'm starting with this YSL 44 blush. Coat the brush first. For this shade, I'm going to focus this higher up on the cheek. Next, Road Piggy. This is a little bit more of like a baby pink, and I'm going to focus this one on the apples of the cheeks. I'm going to use a very small amount of this one size pink powder with a tiny little brush, and I'm really just going to try and set that concealer and right here where I get some texture. We're going to spray with my mini Fix. Wow, I can't talk. Fix Plus. Okay, I'm gonna highlight a little bit with this iconic London Away Glow. I'm gonna apply this with my fingers so it really just melts into the skin. I've been doing very minimal brows here. I've really only just been filling in the tail right here. When I say I'm doing sultry eyes, I really just mean that I'm gonna do some eyeliner. I'm gonna keep the actual eyeshadow just to bronzer. Stila Brow Mascara, and I'm gonna pop that in the lash line. Now just lining the top lash line. Just curled my lashes, and now I'm gonna do a really light coat of this Kylie mascara. I've had this Rhode contour on for the whole video, but I'm gonna add just a little bit more. This is shade Lean, and I'm just gonna do a little bit just to give the lips more of like a plump look. A bit more of this Patrick Ta Milk Tea. All right, guys, here is my minimal French girl makeup look. Let me know what you guys think.